Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make banga stew or soup. Some people call it soup while others call it soup. They have different methods of making banga stew or soup, but today I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to make it. So grab a snack, grab a drink, take a seat and watch me cook. Banga soup or stew is actually made with some palm nut fruit, but it's difficult getting palm nut fruit abroad. So you can just go to your local African store and buy some palm nut concentrate. Okay, let's start cooking. But before we start, can you please do this? Thank you so much for doing that. I use oysters, shaki, mackerel fish, habanero pepper, crayfish, scent leaf, onions, maggi, ogiri, and some palm nut concentrate. I added the oysters in a pan. Next, I added the shaki. Then the maggi cubes. Cameroon pepper because I like it spicy. Chopped onions. And some water. I gave it a quick stir. And then I covered it to cook. 15 minutes later, I added more water. Next, I added some salt. And in goes the palm nut concentrate. Go ahead and stir it. As you can see, the oil is starting to float on top. Next, I added the crayfish. Then the ogiri and habanero pepper that I blended. Stir it and cover it to cook. Next, I went ahead and roasted the mackerel fish. It was now time to add the deboned mackerel fish. Then I added the scent leaves, also known as nchao. Make sure you occasionally stir your stew or soup so it doesn't burn. Look at all that goodness. As you can see, the water has reduced. Your soup or stew is ready once you start seeing the oil floating on top. I normally scoop out the excess oil, but it's up to you. If you like oil, you can leave it. Look at all the oil that came out of this stew. You can eat this with rice, starch, or any fufu of your choice. Enjoy! Let me know in the comment section below what you eat your banga with. I ate mine with rice. Please don't forget to check out my other recipes.